Hindi ma-reverse.
Okay. Ayan, nakano na dito. Okay, sir. You may now put both of your position. Okay, at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Cooperate di siya pura.
How can we handle like specialist hospitals?
Bukan handle.
So how are you feeling today, sir?
Yeah, I feel very nice in wheelchair.
Tapos pwede, you can ask also the patient, di ba? Once you put the patient in bed, if the position, you need to make it a little bit up, foulers, semi-foulers. So that's how it is for the transferring of patient from bed to wheelchair and then wheelchair to bed. Okay?